Hi USD 402. Once again, I'm Megan Vidito. Thank you for letting me join you for your PLCs in September. I look forward to coming back in November and joining you for a few more different PLC sessions. So today, during our Smore newsletter, you can see that I'm using Smore, and if you would click on Globetrotting, you're going to see how we've been able to combine Google My Maps, which is a great tool, with virtual reality. So I've been able to take all the different locations that we've traveled to or that we're going to be traveling to in the next few weeks and pinpointed them or place marked them here on the map. Now I can see that I was able to go to the Golden Gate Bridge with some third graders. Now, with those third graders, we were also able to travel across the ocean to Great Britain to view some of the bridges that they have in Great Britain. Now, this is not being taught in isolation. They've been working on bridges, and actually, I think they're building bridges today at Ewalt. So they were able to not only learn about them prior to the experience, but also view some of the structural components of the bridge through the virtual reality experience as well. Then we're going to look at NASA, and our 7th graders, some of our middle school students, were able to travel to the Juno space mission. And while I can't place mark a location on the Google My Maps with the NASA Juno space mission, I was able to pin mark a location where NASA is located. So through some of these expeditions, I'm able to see over the next few weeks that we're going to go to habitats. We're going to travel to the New York Sanitation Department with some of our middle school students, and then we're going to be looking at some teepees in Montana. Now, Google My Maps, like I said, is a great tool to use. You can simply type the location that you want to find up here in the search bar, and you can search for it, and then it place marks that location. I'm then able to add it to the map, and from there I can also add a photo, or like I did earlier, I embedded a video. Now remember, technology is not taught in isolation. Technology can be integrated into your curriculum, and it just further expands your students' learning. So once again, thanks for joining me on this tour of Google My Maps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next few weeks.